How's it going, everyone? So, I'm in the mood for some wings, and I've been going back and forth over which flavor I want to go with. I mean, there is many different flavored wings as there are wing joints. But after a while, I settled on the lemon pepper wing. I discovered a really neat way to make lemon pepper wings, and I'm really excited to share with you how to do it. Let's get started. Okay, so we can't have lemon pepper wings without, well, lemons. So I got about 6 or 7 of these, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by peeling off the outer skins. So let's get started. There we have it. So as you see, we have our lemons peeled and our slices ready. Now you can do one of two things. Either you could throw this in your oven at about 200 degrees and let it sit in there for about 20 or 30 minutes. I am going to be putting them in my air fryer and let them dehydrate for 6 hours. So either way works. We'll come back to it after 6 hours. Now this is what we're looking with our lemon peel slices after 6 hours of dehydrating. Okay, so I just want to show you, we've let our peels sit for 5 minutes, but I just wanted to show you they're nice and crispy now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be taking these to a blender and I'm going to crush them into a fine powder. And that'll be the lemony part of our lemon pepper. There you have it. Okay, next thing we're going to do, to a bowl where I'm going to add 3½ tablespoons of kosher salt. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoons of citric acid, and I'll leave a link to this because it's not easy to find at the grocery store. Now we're going to go with 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of mushroom powder, and we're going to add our lemon powder and well grounded. And about 1/4 cup of ground black pepper. Just gonna have to eyeball this. Then we're just gonna whisk all that together. And that's our lemon pepper seasoning. We're gonna set that aside. Okay, so as you can see, I have here about 3 pounds worth of wings. I got both drumette and flats, but I think we can all agree flats is where it's at. And I am totally going to get flat for that comment, I'm sure. Anyway, to our 3 pounds worth of wings, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're just going to give that a shake. We're also going to add a little salt. Okay, so now we're going to go to frying our wings. We're getting some vegetable oil up to 325 degrees, and while we're doing that, we're going to make our lemon butter sauce. So while the oil is coming up to temperature for our lemon pepper butter, we're going to start with a quarter of a cup of unsalted butter. We're just going to let that melt. To the melted butter, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of the lemon pepper seasoning. Whisk that. Killed the heat, and we're just going to grate 1 garlic over that. Okay, so we have our oil up to 325 degrees, and we're going to start our first batch of frying our wings. And we're going to fry those for about 3 to 5 minutes on the first stage. Okay, so first round of frying the wings is done. They're looking a little white. We're going to increase the temperature to 350 degrees and finish them off. So we've got our oil at 350 degrees. Time for the second round of the frying. And we are just going to let this final batch fry for about 2 to 4 minutes. Alright, so wings are cooked. We're going to add our lemon butter. Add a little bit more lemon pepper. A little extra salt. And that is how you get the most perfect lemon pepper wing. Now that is a lemon pepper wing. Oh. It's not too bad actually. Not too peppery. Still get the lemon flavor. Definitely a success. Anyway, let me know, what's your favorite wing sauce? Comment and let me know. And let me know if you want me to try something new. I mean, give it a try. See you next time.